Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your own voice or audio in Riffusion AI. Now, of course, first things first is open up any browser that you want to use on your end, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, once you have opened it up, just head straight to riffusion.com, official website, which is going to be the one that is showing on your screen. Now, once you're here, make sure that you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account, make sure that you already created one, as it is the very first requirement on doing this method. Now, on your home screen, what you want to do is you should be able to see this icon here that says upload, or this is actually an upload icon. Click on that, and there's going to be the uploading audio prompt if this is going to be the first time using this feature. So tick this box here and hit on confirm. And here, just simply click this upload button here and locate the file that you'll be using, like your audio file or your own voice file. Once you have uploaded it, you can try to add on lyrics or any sound for the overall audio that you will be generating or creating. Once everything is set up, just head straight to generate and you're good to go. And that's basically it's how you use your own voice or your audio in Riffusion AI. So yeah. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.